The designer has the responsibility to vouch for the needs of the user every time they're facing the client and make them understand that why it is important, but it is at the same time important to understand the needs of the brand. A mentor is a guide or a person who takes you through a journey, and it's a relationship that does not last from education, but it is also your personal development as well. That is what mentorship, I feel like, is, where the student basically is guided throughout the process, and wherever they feel stuck, a mentor guides them through. They give the little push that is required. Very important to listen to both parties. As a user, UX designer, it is important to listen to your users' needs. But at the same time, your client has been running that business for years now. And trying to understand with empathy, like which is more important from both ends, and try to bridge the gap. I think that is the key to managing the client and customer needs. The designer has the responsibility to vouch for the needs of the user every time they're facing the client and make them understand that why it is important, but it is at the same time important to understand the needs of the brand. When you're building your design portfolio, I think it is very important for you to have elaborate case studies which highlight your portfolio from start to end, detailing and telling a story through each and every step, how you conducted the research to how you implemented that research across through other techniques of design, and then finally how it looked in the final outcome. So I feel like that highlighting into your portfolio is important. Come in with empathy. Always remember your skill sets that you bring along that makes you uniquer in this field. And since it's a rat race, so definitely your skill sets from there will be very important. So I think this will be my advice.